In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Dropbox files available offline tutorial. If you've ever been on a plane, working from a cafe with spotty Wi-Fi, or just want peace of mind, making files available offline ensures you can open and edit what you need without an internet connection. Let's start on your computer. Open your File Manager, File Explorer on Windows, or Finder on a Mac. This is where you'll navigate to your Dropbox folder, which is the local location that mirrors your files from the cloud. You'll usually see Dropbox listed in the left sidebar under Quick Access on Windows, or in the Favorites section on Mac OS. Click it to open. Inside the Dropbox folder, decide what you want to access offline. You can choose a single file, several files, or an entire folder if you want everything in it to be ready without internet. Selecting a folder is handy when you're preparing for a trip or a big project and don't want to mark items one by one. Move your mouse over the file or folder you've chosen and right-click to bring up the context menu. From that menu, click Make Available Offline. Depending on the version of the desktop app, you might see similar wording, but the idea is the same. You're telling Dropbox to keep a local copy on your computer. After you click, Dropbox begins downloading the item. This local copy takes up space on your hard drive, so keep that in mind if you're working with very large files. Once the download finishes, you'll see a new icon next to the item, often a green check mark indicating it's now available offline. That visual confirmation is helpful when you're preparing multiple items at once. If you don't see the icon right away, give it a moment to complete or check that your computer is online while it sets things up. From here on, you can open, view, and edit the file, even if you lose your connection. While you're offline, changes you make will be saved locally. The next time your computer reconnects to the internet, Dropbox will automatically sync your updates so everything stays current across your devices. This feature is especially useful when traveling, working remotely, or dealing with limited connectivity. Repeat the same steps for any other files or folders you want to keep within reach. Preparing key documents ahead of time means you're always ready to work, no matter where you are. And that's it. You now know how to make your Dropbox files available offline. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tips to streamline your digital workflow.